Making gluten-free gochujang out of avocados. Now you're mashing the avocado. This is one avocado. And putting some lining under it just to keep the bowl from wiggling around too much. And the first thing to add is some gochujang, red pepper powder. And how much do you add?
It's like a half cup, something like that, or more you can use it.
Okay, and some cayenne pepper. Gochujang is mostly for color, and the cayenne gives it some heat. You want to be careful with the cayenne. And just mix it up.
Oh, okay, got it.
Add some garlic. If you're going to keep it for a long time, then you use powder, but if you're using it fresh, then fresh garlic has a better flavor. And this is fish sauce. Looks like about a tablespoon and a half, maybe, of fish sauce. And then you can add some sugar. We're using allulose because it's a very fine sweetener instead of sugar.
I don't know how much, maybe half a teaspoon. It depends on how you like the sweet.
So depending on how sweet you like it, you can add a little bit more or a little bit less. Just about a spoonful.
Gochujang is, you need to add how you want to be color come out.
So
This
this is nowhere near red enough, so we're going to add some more of the red pepper powder.
Adding soy sauce is optional. You can add a little bit for different flavor, but I need more pepper. You want to put a little bit of soy sauce?
Sure.
This is optional if you want to, but I don't usually use it, but just a little bit and see.
Did the last couple ones, they didn't have soy sauce in it, right?
No, I didn't put soy sauce at all. I need a little bit more pepper.
So we're looking at like about 3/4 of a cup of the red pepper powder so far.
Almost a cup.
And you just mash it up.
That's it.
You can make it in the food processor too if you want it super smooth.
And the taste, do you taste how? Oh, salt.
Salt.
Let's put some salt.
How much salt is that? About a quarter, half a teaspoon.
And you taste, you see. Oh.
And then we'll taste it and see what it tastes like. How is it? It needs more sugar and fish sauce?
If you want it sweeter, then you can add more sugar. If not, if you want it more watery, or I think I need more salt.
Mm.
And the fish sauce, a little bit more fish sauce.
Let's see. That's another about a teaspoon of fish sauce. And like another quarter teaspoon of sweetener or sugar.
So it depends how you taste to it, the seasoning. Doesn't have the exact right now. Because this is a little more than one avocado. Because we have leftover avocado.
And this one is starting to look pretty red.
Yeah, that's pretty good taste.
Mm,
That's it.
that's it. And since this one is made with all fresh ingredients, it's not going to last as long as the fermented
Well, then
gochujang.
keep in the refrigerator.
Yeah, keep it in the refrigerator. We've had it, I mean, we ate it up to like about 2 weeks afterwards, and there wasn't any degradation in it. But that's it. That's how to make
Gochujang, avocado gochujang.
avocado gochujang.